Hello everyone, this is Priyanka from Pihu's Creation. For today's project, we need a basket, twine, a pair of scissors, and glue gun optional. Here we are holding the basket vertically. Now we will take twine and we will measure from one end to the other and we'll keep a margin on both the ends, and then we will take 6 rounds of twines and we will divide it from the center so that we get 12 strings. So that is the center. If we divide it from the center, then we are getting 12 strings. This is the measurement. I have left margins on both the ends, and I've taken a small twine and I'm making a loop from the center, and now we have 12 strands. I'm just securing the string in the basket so that we can just divide the strings in 3 halves. Each half will have 4 strands. Each half will have 4 strands. Out of that we'll make a braid. So I'm already almost done with the braid, as you can see. Now I will just open it from there. I just kept it secured so that it becomes easy for me to tie the braid. So just to remind you, once I took the basket vertically, not horizontally. Now I will just insert the braid from the holes that are there in the basket. Now the measurement is according to you, how much gap you want to leave from the top, and then on both the ends I will have to insert this braid. So I have already done it. So like this we'll have to make more braids, and as you can see we'll have to put it in line. I have made 5 braids and I have placed it one after the other. Now it's time for securing the braids from both the ends. For that I have again taken a small string. I have made a loop out of it. I will definitely show you in slow motion. See how I made the loop. And here we go. We are done. It's very easy. We all know it very well. So like this we'll have to secure both the ends of the braids. One side you will get the tassel, and the other side we have the starting point of the braid. For that you'll have to make tassels separately and you'll just have to attach it. Just see how I have secured it. Everyone has got their own ideas to do it, so according to your comfort zone you just need to secure. Now this is what I was talking about. This is the head of the braid, the starting point. So for this you'll have to make separate tassels like I have made, and you'll have to cut from the bottom to give that look, tassel look, and then you'll just have to attach it and secure it with the extra string. Securing totally depends on how you want to secure. These are certain things which if I just impose on you, it might become little difficult for you to understand. So it is very easy. That is why you can do it yourself. This project is a little bit time taking, so I would suggest if you're planning to do it, then better if you can just keep your braids ready beforehand, then it will become easier for you. Not only the braids, even the extra tassels. So after I secure and attach the extra tassels, this is how my basket planter hanger looks like. I have again taken twine and I have made a small braid to make this loop with which we can hang. Now we have two options to secure it. Either we can tie it. See, if we tie it, then this is how it will hang. Else we can just make two big knots on both the ends, and that will also secure your loop, hanging loop. So this is how it looks after it is done. Now I have taken a small golden pothos, but I have secured the planter with cellophane paper so that there is no spillage while you water the plant, because you'll have to water your plant properly to keep it healthy. So this is how it looks. Please like, share and subscribe if you really like my channel. Unfortunately, I don't have the option for the hanging planters inside my bedroom. That is why I've chosen the main entrance. I've kept it above the main door. But honestly, if you have the option, then please hang it inside your bedroom, maybe at the side of the curtains or maybe in the wall of your bedroom or living room. Trust me, you will love it. Please show some love so that I can come up with more and more innovative ideas only if you like my channel. Thank you.